Hello, my great kids. I'm back with you now. So still on the review of telling time, and the last time we actually look at the meaning of time. We look at unit for measuring time, both in the olden days and nowadays. So today we are taking a step further to see how we can actually tell time. Like I told you, looking at this screen now, I told you there are 12 hours on the clock face, even though there are 24 hours in a day. Now, for telling hour, we use the shorthand. For telling time in minutes, we use the long hand. You can see the face of this clock is divided into 4, and that will enable you to understand better what we mean by quarter past and quarter to, then the half past and the o'clock. Whenever the long hand is on 12 and the short hand is on any of the other number, even including 12, that time is o'clock. The long hand is always the determinant, the pointing out in telling time. For clock face, there are 60 minutes and 12 hours. That 60 minutes, if is divided into 4, you will have 15. 60 divided by 4 will give us 15, and that's why the issue of quarter past and quarter to came about. Now, if you have 15 all over 60 will give you 1 all over 4. That means 15 in 15 1, 15 in 60 4, and 1 all over 4 is same thing as quarter. So if the long hand move from 12 to 3, that is quarter past. If the long hand is on 9 before it gets to 12, that's quarter to. Now, for past, any time, as the phase of the clock is divided into 2, everything on the right hand is past, on the left hand is to. So for determining your to, telling your time in any minutes to, once the long hand pass number 6, now you just have to do take away. So whatever number, even if it's 1 or 2, just take away that from 30, because on the right is 30 minutes, on the left is 30 minutes. So just take away that minute. Take for instance from 6 to 7, now we have 5 minutes there. So if my long hand is on 7, so from 6 to 7 is 5 minutes, so I will take away that 5 minutes from the whole 30 to tell my time in to. If the long hand is on 8, from 6 to 8 is 10 minutes, so I will stay 30 minutes minus 10 minutes, that will give me 20. So that's 20 minutes to whatever time you are telling. Okay, so that is the essence of this instructional material. All right, I hope I've been able to shed more light. So for us, if the short hand is on 12, that time is telling 12, and there are times that when the long hand is on 6, the short hand will be in between two numbers. So where the short hand is moving to, it has not gotten there. So where it just passed, that's the number you use to tell the half past. For instance, if my short hand is in between 1 and 2, and the long hand is on 6. So the short hand has not gotten to 2, but it just passed 1. So that's half past 1. Alright, so let's move on to tell time. Now look at this. To tell time in o'clock, our long hand is on 12 and our short hand is on 3. That's 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. The long hand is on 12, which is o'clock. Then the short hand is on 3, which is the hour. That's 3 o'clock. Alright, so this other one is, we have the short hand in between 3 and 4, but the long hand is on 6. On 6 is half past, and the short hand is between 3 and 4. It has not gotten to 4, but it just passed 3. That's half past 3. Alright, then this one, the long hand is on 3, but the short hand is not exactly on 3, but I just move away from 3. It has not gotten to 4, so your time is still in 3. So in 3 what? So it means that the long hand is the one that will determine that. So from 12 to that 3, that's quarter. So you say quarter past 3, because it has not gotten to 4, so it's not quarter past 4, it's quarter past 3. Alright, so that's how to tell time. Then this one, we have the long hand on 9. The short hand has not gotten to 3, but has passed 2. So the short hand is going to 3. So but the long hand is on quarter. That's 9, between 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's 15 minutes. So that's quarter to what? Where is the short hand going to? 3. So quarter to 3. I hope that has been helpful. Feel free to ask any question in case you are not really clear about it. Alright, so keep staying at home and staying safe. God bless you.